moment it's more than 45 degree temperature.
I was in November last year, but
November is better.
yes, but was like 42, 43, something like this. In the evening was 38, I think.
Yes, evening time it's around 38. Like you cannot walk on roads like this.
Impossible.
There is expensive living,
Yeah, living is expensive there.
also good salaries, I think.
Yeah, salaries are also good. If you need to rent a room, it will be like maybe around 3,000 lira for
Lari.
one room. Yes, lari. Yes.
3,000 lari is about like $1,200.
Yes. So this is the rent of one room there.
You can
For your living, not for the hotels. Hotel too much high. It's for supposed to be now we are working. We need to rent a room like this.
here I think 3,000 lari you can rent about like 4-room house or
Four room
something.
house. Big
Yes,
house,
in
yeah.
the same amount.
But there only one house with a washroom. That's it. It will be like two things.
What's like example for starting salaries?
Starting salary is like around maybe in laris if you calculate it maybe like 4,000, 5,000.
It's like lowest salary.
Yes, lowest salary.
Very good.
If you are like in a good position, so around maybe 10,000 lari you can get.
Very good. It's hard to start working there.
No, if you have like some skill or some good education, then you can start.
Uber they does do you know?
Here is the weather.
The weather is good.
Now it's hot.
Yes, it's hot, but for us it is very
Yeah,
cold.
for you, yeah, but for me it's hot.
Yes.
For it's a very amazing weather.
I think this is the maximum temperature here.
No, it's in the. I think in July or August will be 38 or 40.
Oh, it's very outside.
Just like
Beginning of the summer.
So supposed to be in this work, how much is your timing? Like, is you doing 12 hours for this target of the earning? 12 hours work or more than 12 hours?
Something like this, 12, 13, 14 sometimes. I don't have nothing to anything else to do. And
But the good thing is this for you, na, that the earning is same and you are living in your own country.
yeah.
You anytime you can go to your home, whatever you want to do you can do. Like you are a boss.
There's no boss or
Yeah.
no timing.
No any target, no anything.
Yes.
The main thing is this. As per the earning.
Anytime what I want, I can start.
Yeah, you can start. You are the boss now. Anytime you can start and stop. No need to ask vacation somebody. Like for us, we need to take vacation from the manager.
Now
After the approval,
like
we can go.
1 hour,
Huh.
1 year we get vacation for like 1 month. So now we are visiting the places.
And in this time, we need to, like, supposed to be 1 month we get vacation. Then after we need to go to our country also to meet our family. We need to give time to ourselves also. We are like a robot. Yeah.
I worked before in the Belarusian company. It was like furniture shop,
Okay.
and I was restoration furniture making.
Okay, like interior design.
Yeah, hatta like fixed furniture.
Furniture,
It's
okay.
broken or need
Fixing
painting
old furniture, right?
yeah. No, new furniture
New
but
furniture.
damaged.
Okay, damaged furniture. Okay.
And I had like 2,000 lari salary. I worked there 5 years.
So like 8 hours work and
Not
2
8
days
hours.
off.
I don't have time. Maybe
Alright, so continuous.
24 hours, maybe 5
Mhm.
hours, something like this.
Okay, like enough job.
And I said like it's enough for me.
It's better. This is better than that.
But,
And, what about the expenses supposed to be in this 4,000 lari that you can accommodate your family members, like supposed to be if you have 2 kids and your wife, you can accommodate all of them, or
Yeah, of course.
your wife should need to do work also?
No, if you have same salary like 4,000 lari, you living good in Georgia.
Like you can accommodate your family easily.
Everything for a
yeah,
family,
everything,
yes.
yeah.
That's great, because we heard, as per the other countries' experience, that for that one, when your salaries are good, like supposed to be me, if I bring my family also in the same salary in Qatar, so it's not possible in this 4,000 lari. So my wife should need to do work also together with me.
Okay.
Then we can manage our family there.
There in Qatar,
Yeah.
even if you have like 10,000 lari salary, you cannot accommodate a family.
If you can accommodate,
Yes.
then no, you cannot save a single penny.
Very expensive.
That thing
Living
is
is very
expensive. Whatever you are earning, you will give back to the country.
In Georgia, like if you have a house, like and don't need to pay rent,
Exactly. Then it is very good.
it's very good. You need, I think, about $1,000 is okay for family here.
That's great.
If you don't pay rent, if you pay rent, it's too expensive for living.
And you also paying the tax also to the government. The tax.
Tax, yeah. It's like if you're working,
Mm.
you pay 18% tax for.
So
for
after this 4,000, you are paying 18% also in between.
No, like if you, for example, if you have salary 2,000 lari, you taking with hand this 2,000 lari, but your salary original is about
Basic salary.
Okay.
2,400. and-
Meaning to say that this 4,000 salary you are getting after the tax.
Yes.
It's already deducted.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's
That's
already-
good. And the main thing is this also, when you are giving tax to your government, so the government is also accommodating you,
Yeah.
like in the terms of hospitals,
medical or what?
medical services,
You have like
schools,
free medical, right?
Yes, the government gives
Free medical.
citizens, like you have government insurance.
Okay.
It helps you about 50% anything. Not full insurance, but
50% helping.
50% helping you.
And
Yeah,
what
you-
about the kids for the schooling?
Yes, it's studies free here. Schools
Studies
free.
free.
Yeah,
That's
schools all free.
That's great.
Just university, you should pay about 10,000 lari in 4 years.
Okay.
Great.
Study. Yeah. Schools are free everywhere.
The language is not English, right? In schools,
Yeah,
they teach English also.
yeah, teaching English and student if you want, he want to study English or Russian or French or German, any
language they
Yeah.
can choose. Yes.
But main is English, like in Georgian and English.
English,
But
okay.
after they can choose
Any other language.
more.
That's why I saw here mostly people know about English. Like not they are also speaking the local language and they are good in English also, because
Yeah.
the
They
school.
are learning in school.
Yeah, and
English.
they're learning in the school. Same like us in our country, and you cannot see that everybody is not speaking English. Like only a 20% can understand and they will speak also.
It's like 10 years ago, it was big problem for English speaking
Language,
language, because it was like main after Georgian, main language was Russian, and many people talked Russian language, not English.
So here the main language is now Russian.
No, Georgian.
After Georgian.
Georgian.
After Georgian, I said the second language was in Russian.
Second language is
Yeah,
Russian.
and that's why it was a big problem about English. But our government said we don't need it anymore. The second language, the Russian, and
Now English.
Teaching English in school, and that's it. And that's why it's changed.
So the first is Georgian language, the second is English now. That's great.
Yeah.
Because the main is English.
English is international
Yeah,
language.
it's international
You need
language.
everywhere to know English. If you don't know anything in English language, it's very bad for you, because if you go somewhere,
You cannot communicate easily to
Yeah,
other
yeah,
countries,
yeah.
people like this.
thing is about Georgia is it is to here is cheap for living.
Living, yes,
Yeah,
living
for
is cheap.
locals. But
You know,
I
we are
think-
living in hotel, and yesterday we calculated that's supposed to be the same hotel if we booked for 1 month. It is maximum in Qatar. It's equal to 1,800 Qatari riyal, and the same, and also the breakfast is free.
Yeah.
And
Yes, yeah, in
the
this hotel.
same the same room like this we hire in Qatar. It will be more than 2,500 like this, or 3,000 maybe. And this is the hotel, not if we get the same room in the local area,
Mhm.
like house, maybe more cheap.
Yes, of course. You can rent like a house about 600-700 lari in the month.
Okay.
That's
Complete
great.
house, yes.
The house.
That's a
House
good
yeah,
price,
in
yes.
the, like this building.
It's very good.
In Georgia, like you don't pay too much in the like electricity or
Yeah.
anything. It's very cheap.
Okay.
Water
Electricity
is
also
free.
cheap, Yes.
Yeah, water is free. Gas is cost about like 20-30 and electricity 30-30 something. It's like 10 cents.
Oh, okay. So it's very cheap.
Yeah.
Also, weather is good, and also people are friendly.
I lived 8 years ago in Switzerland, and there was too expensive also, too much.
Switzerland, yes.
Yeah, Switzerland.
I know.
I was about 2 months there in the internship in Geneva, and it was too much expensive, and that's why I lived in the France and drive by car in the Switzerland because there was a rent too high. Like half price was in the France, but the rent was about 1,500 Switzerland franc.
Okay.
It's about 1,800 euros. And I lived in France and paid like 800 euros.
800.
That is
So
a
it was
top destination for the tourism, Switzerland. People from all over the world, they come there.
Yeah.
That's why they charge it a lot.
This food was also very expensive. And how long you stay here?
Tomorrow we are going back. Actually, we are here for already 3 days.
You just visited in 3 days here?
Yes, only 3 days because we have to go to our country. We have.
You going to
Yes,
Pakistan?
Pakistan, yes.
Now we get regression on our decision that we should need to
Yes.
take 2-3 days more.
More, yes. Because
That's
three
why-
days are not enough.
Not enough. And now we make a plan that we
Yeah.
came here again in November.
Yes.
I think
And
now for Pakistan it's visa free. Yes.
Yeah, visa free, yes.
No, for
Yes.
Pakistan is visa not free, but we came here on Qatar TRC.
Okay.
That's why it's visa free. For
Qatar
us.
residents, for GCC residents, it's free.
Yeah.
Entry, yes.
Yeah,
As
but,
per actual, we came from Pakistan, we will not get visa free. We should need to apply visa first.
I heard from television. I think our government changed this policy for Pakistani people. I think you don't need a visa anymore.
Exactly.
No, for
On
Pakistani-
arrival we
No,
get the
Pakistani
visa.
passport
Yes.
don't need visa anymore.
Maybe from Pakistan now.
Yeah, because our government changed this policy.
Okay.
नहीं वो इंडिया का है.
Now, like month ago, I think 1 month.
The main good thing is also they not get any charge in the airport also, because when we go on the same our card in like other countries, neighbor countries, our Bahrain, we need to pay 50 riyal there,
Like there's
like
some
10 to
visa fees.
$15 you need to pay. For we go to UAE also you need to pay. Saudi also you need to pay on the border. Like for Saudi we get visa. Oman we need to pay. Even on Jordan we need to pay $50. But for us they not get any amount. It's a free. Visa free also with free of charge also. No any fees on the border.
And then you have just like ID cards. Yeah?
Just we
yes,
show the
yes.
ID card.
It's like same in Emirates.
Yeah, same,
Emirates,
same.
yes, yes.
Honorable visa.
like residence permit we have.
Residence.
We just show on that permit only
Yeah.
and the passport.
There is a visa same as a Emirates. Like every 2 years you need to update.
In Emirates, after 2 years you need to renew. In Qatar,
Yeah.
we need to renew every year.
Every year.
Yeah, but you can make for the 2 years also. You need to pay more,
Yeah.
like double. If you pay double, you get 2 years. If you pay 3 times, you can get three years ID. Maximum we can get 3 years ID there. But the company is making your ID's extension only one year. If supposed to be you have your own visa, like you are paying to the company, the local company, and you are paying them, so you can pay more. They will make your visa for 3 years.
In the Emirates, me and my father was there. We wanted to open some business there and take these IDs and make visas.
Mm.
We don't need Georgians visa in like in Emirates
Yeah.
or Qatar. I think we don't need.
No need visa for
Yeah,
us.
yeah,
For you,
visa
it's
Directly
only
you can
one.
come on the card.
But
this is visitor visa just.
Visit, yes.
You
But
can-
the
You
business,
cannot work.
yeah.
but the business, I think it's not good because you are not 100% owner of your business there. You should need to make one partner, the local partner. And the bad thing is this: the local partner
This is in
have
Qatar.
Yeah,
in Qatar, that 51% shareholder will the local partner there. So you are on 49%. So anytime he will take over your company. Whenever he feel greedy, he take over your company.
But in Emirates,
Emirates, the
In
rules are
Emirates, you
better,
can you will be the owner,
yeah. Yeah, you can
100%.
own a company.
they told us like we need to pay about $5,000 and take some place for office
For office.
for rent, and after they can make like visas and ID cards.
They will give you the visa, then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can sell your visa.
Yeah, because we
Right.
needed first to make business license.
Yes, business
and
license.
after- We wanted to open like
And
car export company there from Dubai to Georgia,
Okay.
but our government changed some rules about exporting from Dubai or from Emirates, and that's why we stopped. We bought 2 cars in auction and brought here.
Yes, like used cars.
Yeah. We imported 2 cars
Mhm.
from Dubai, but after this year, these policies changed, like these rules changed, and we cannot anymore
So business
import
has
cars.
stopped.
Yes, and that's why we stopped there. We lived in like old Dubai in the hotel, and it was very expensive. And there was this transport, like you see, you know this.
This is in Dubai, right?
This in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah.
Yes, I can feel it.
Yeah, this is in Dubai. This I don't remember what's the name was. They have boats and in the river.
Marina, I think, yes.
Dubai Marina.
No, it's not Marina. It's Deira.
Dera Dubai, Dera Dubai.
Yes, I know.
Because Dera Dubai have also the sea view.
Deira and the front of Bur Dubai, I think.
Yes.
Bur Dubai.
Yeah.
Bur Dubai and Dera Dubai is near. Both
It
are.
was a white canal, and this was the transport name. I don't remember this boats called.
Because last week I was there in Dubai.
It's very beautiful, but
Yeah.
weather for me is very big problem.
Yeah, weather is a big problem, yes. Beautiful and expensive.
Why you're not making the company here like the same like a
Oh.
same limousine company and then
Here for opening business is very big problem
Okay.
because you paying like tax everywhere.
no supposed to be you can make a in like in Qatar you can make one limousine company, then you can sell the visas and you hire the people from out of the country Like you can also sell your work permit, and you can
Yeah.
hire the when you open a company, you can sell your work permit.
Yes, here I can this making, but if I want to register a business,
Mhm.
you need to like if you start working here, you need to pay everything for everything at 20%.
At 20%.
Yes, or you buy something, you pay 20%. You're selling something, pay 20%. If you make anything like
Too much paying
rent,
for the government.
yeah. If you're living and not paying, for example, electricity too much, if you have a business, you pay like price about 5 times more,
Mm.
and it's
The
everything.
government is giving something, but the government getting tax also.
Yeah. And you need also like if you opening starting good business that really work well. Our government is corrupted, you know. Some government person will come to you and say to I want half for your business. If you don't agree, they will cut your business off. And that's very big
It's the
problem.
same problems with Pakistan.
Yeah. Corruption very
Corruption,
big.
yes.
Corruption is everywhere. It's less and high.
Exactly.
In your country, it is less. But if your country corruption is 10%, now our is 1,000.
Too much issues in Pakistan. That's why we are working outside.
If you say that corruption is in your country, if your country is 10%, our is 1,000. We can imagine.
That's why too many people live in Georgia. Like
Work in other countries.
yeah, I thinking also to emigrate United States or somewhere.
Yeah, it's better. Those countries are better.
My brother going, I think, this summer in the United States. Have high skills and like education, I
Yeah.
think you can make.
If you are like IT expert or something like accounting, so,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
then you
it's-
can get better.
Yeah. If you know IT, I think you can have salary about 10K easy.
Meaning to
More.
say, from the basic 800. Like starting is 800.
800 is for like
Like laborers working.
Like labor.
who cleaning in the streets and this
All
stuff.
right.
Yeah.
These
The
people
street
like-
guys,
yeah.
like cleaning,
Janitors.
like dishwashers, these kind of
The
people.
basic job.
Yeah, yeah,
The lower salary, na, the basic people.
yeah.
The skilled person, they can get more. Same like this driving. Driving is also a skill.
Yeah, like taxi drivers
Yeah.
in the Bolt. What I'm making for like these taxis, white taxi.
Yeah.
White taxi makes double of price than me because they have like license.
Mhm.
They can charge people and work in this airport area,
Okay,
like
okay.
the stations area and everything. I cannot go in
Because
airport
you are working whatever the company is giving you, because the company is getting commission also. But for the white taxi, all of the money
Yeah.
they are getting.
For example, like if you order taxi in airport in Bolt, this cost about like 35-40 lari.
Yes.
But if you white taxi goes and someone stops, they can tell them like 300-400 lari. No
It's happened yesterday, day before yesterday with us. He
When we
told,
were coming from here,
you
but
know
it's
what
not
he
like
told?
this.
He make his application. I think, I don't know what about the application.
He
He
was
say
showing, okay.
the meter is 00. I say what about supposed to be if you start the meter? He say for 1 kilometer 7.5 lari. Then I think, what
Then
is this?
It's like 30 kilometer, and for per kilometer he was charging 7.5
Lari.
lari.
Then we open the Google and start searching. I think it's the most expensive taxi in the world. If it is like 7.5 lari per kilometer.
He was crazy.
He make his own application. I don't know what
So
kind
I
of application he have.
calculated like for 30 kilometers it will be 200 lari.
It will be the most expensive taxi in the world.
You ordered both or just stop?
No, then we ordered Bolt.
Yeah,
So
then we start.
Bolt took almost like 25 or 28 lari. Yes.
But it was like just taxi, like white taxi. You stopped.
No, we didn't start. We just asked.
Yeah, we came
What
out
will
and
happen?
this guy came to us and he started saying just come with us.
He say you will start. I say
Then
no,
I
no, no.
installed this bolt because Uber is not working here. Over there we were using Uber, but here Uber is not available.
Hi,
so we
guys.
just installed this bolt and we.
The
got
beauty of
everything.
Georgia.
And that's why these white taxis make huge money here.
Yes.
Like you know, you are working hard. Like 12 hours you do work and you will earn. For them, they will get 2 customers in a day and they will earn like
And
this.
if he will charge,
Ah.
maybe some Qatari will come and he will give 200 lari to him.
Yeah, if the Qatari, they are not
Because
thinking
they
about
don't
this
ask
one.
anything. They have a lot of
Ah.
money.
Because their mentality is, oh, we are going to the Europe. Europe is expensive. They will give you 200. Yeah.
And
Their mentality is like this.
if you want to make 200 lari in the Bolt, you should work like minimum 12 hours.
Yeah, that's why, na.
Yeah.
So in one trip he was charging 200 lari.
Yeah.
He will get his money. He will get the money for all of the day from one customer. Khalas, then no any work like this.
One was crazy, like very bad driver, taxi driver. From Tbilisi airport, the tourists wanted to go in Batumi.
Okay.
And he says, no problem, I will bring you Batumi. He told about like in 300 or 400 lari. They wanted to go just to see the sea. And
Sea view.
yeah,
Yes.
to go Batumi. And he like bring these tourists here
Yeah, okay.
in Tbilisi Sea.
Tbilisi and he saw the sea. Okay, that's the sea.
There is
Maybe this is a
Batumi.
dam. It's like a dam.
He make like a round trip about like 2.5 something.
Okay, like half hour he spent on the streets.
Tbilisi and he left here.
Now you are in Batumi.
He bring him in the wrong place, huh?
Yeah, he put there in the Tbilisi Sea. Yeah. He told them to there is Batumi.
In every country, this is normal. You can find some these kind of people.
In Dubai
Yeah.
also.
Everywhere, everywhere.
Some taxi drivers, I think
They're very
in
clever, yes,
Indian.
Indian.
people
You know,
also.
I travel more than 11 countries. I saw these kind of people everywhere. In our country also. In our country, we have also videos like this. Some of the horse guy, they told like 10 rupees or 20 rupees. Then after you can ride the horse, they will ask you 500. No, you told us 500.
ये हैं जी Chronicles सामने.
किधर?
ये.
हाँ, वो
From there,
Yeah,
Chronicles.
these are the Chronicles, right?
Yeah, from there you can see also Tbilisi Sea View.
Sea view, okay. ये चीजें हैं.
A to B point is very far, I think. It was just like 1 kilometer to
50
yeah,
riyal.
50 dirham. Yes. From here you need to walk.
Walk. Okay.
Ah, yeah.
Alright.
Just there.
This is open till what time?
It's open every.
All the time.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Have a nice day.